guys, welcome friends, family, and strangers to another video. This one's another unboxing of a survival kit by Veitold. I think that's how you pronounce it, made in China. Alright, let's open it up. Good morning, by the way. Hope everyone's had a good weekend. Survival kit. Nice. I like the little logo here. Fine little bag. Let's open it up. Survival kit. A lot of bags to go through. Plus not including the box it came in too. Nice. The coolest gift choice. It is a gift. It was a birthday gift. It's climbing, camping, adventure. That's cool. Got little logos right here indicating what's inside maybe. Let's open this sucker up. It's got little tabs on the sides. A little pelican case. Alright. User guide. We'll go through that in a moment. Be careful. Alright, let's be careful. Looks like the spork or yeah, spork. Emergency blanket. The smallest one. Warm time. Space blanket. Nice. There. What's this? Oh, that pokey. It's a nice little multi-tool here. This is what it comes with. Multi-purpose pocket survival tool. Can opener, knife edge. Cool. All these really nice things. Got a little wrench going in the middle. Your gauge. Some kind of gauge in the middle. What's that one, I wonder? That is cool. That's sharp. Jaggedy. Good to open up boxes with. A little saw. Oh yeah, that really sticks. It's kind of sharp, actually. Comes with this little protective sleeve, which is nice. Nice. Alright, what else it comes with? Comes with a trimmer, or that's a saw. Take out a couple small branches. I like that. That's nice. You got your lure and fish hook and fishing line. That is nice. I like that. Look at this guy. Ooh, he's so squishy. I got a little lanyard, bottle opener, bottle holder. Let's open this up. I don't know if I have any water bottles hanging around. If you got a water bottle, flip it around. You got this around your belt buckle. Ooh, it's Velcro and a clip, a button. I like that. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. There. You got that fork, knife. It comes with a little lanyard too. Little handy rope to go with it. Oh yeah. That sharp? No, it's not that sharp. We can sharpen that. Looks like your bottle opener. I guess something to help you grip. You got your spoon. Heck yeah. Pretty nifty. Back in my little sheath. Oh, that looks like a whistle right there. Look at that. Oh, I got Bell palsy, so it's giving me effect in my mouth right now. Let me close on my lip. Cool. Yep, Bell palsy sucks. Had it for like a month and a half now. It's almost gone. Ooh, we got a nice little pen here. Twist pen. I like it. Belt buckle. Glass breaker. Pretty heavy. Pretty nice. I like it. This is a fun little device. Write down, get you a little field notes, waterproof field notes would be cool. Ooh, it comes with the flashlight. Ooh. Nice. Doesn't come with batteries, I assume. Oh, okay. Adjust your focal point. Kind of battery. There you go. It's behind the button. I feel like that's a. What do you think, a AA? Let's find out. Got my little AA battery kit. Let's open it up real quick. I know what kind of battery it is. Let's see. AA? For sure. It's a little wiggly for a AA. Let's see. Yep. It's on. Yeah, decent brightness to it. I wonder how many lumens. I like the focal point. Oh, that is so cool. That really is sharp. Yeah. 1 AA battery. Oh, you flash SOS on, low on. Oh yeah, just tap it and you get high, low, and then flash, and then off. Okay, it switches modes every time you turn it off and on, or slightly tap it. Here, got a lot of AA's. Man. It needs a lot of AA's in his toys. Back into the box. This is it's a striker, your flint striker. This thing is really cool. Last time I went camping, I used one and it did a good job at doing its job for us. Oh, look. Let's see if I can do it without burning down the house. So you got to do it at a good angle against it, not like this. Like this, it doesn't really work. But there you go. There you go. Pretty cool. Comes with the striker and a little tiny ruler. It looks like. Looks like you could use a striker there. Oh, okay. Yeah, make sure you're using an angle. Okay. Bottle opener and something for the screw. Yeah, pretty cool. Comes with a little rope. All right, we got something like that already for our my little survival knife that you'll probably see a video in a little bit after this, depending on what I want to edit or not. And then we got a knife. That's a heavy knife. Kind of knife. Blade down, tip down. I think I can move the. Maybe it's possible to move it down. On the other side, tip down. Typically, we like knives that are tip up. It's easier to remove from the pocket right away. So if it's a tip up and the buckle is facing down, all you're doing is you're lifting and then you're activating the knife. When it's up like this and tip down and pulling it, then you have to rotate the knife and then open. Nice action. Spring operated. Spring assisted. There you go. Spring assisted, serrated for your rope cutting. Could be sharper. We'll sharpen that with our sharpeners. It's nice. It's heavy. Nice little knife. We'll add it to my collection. Thank you. Put that there. And oh, cool. We got a little bracelet here. Rid of the plastic. Ooh. Nice little rope. I don't see the release point. I think it's over here somewhere. Closes. And on itself. This is like a scraper, bottle opener. Some kind of scraper. Bottle opener. And a compass. Yep, north is behind me. don't know if it's me or my camera's not focusing well. I apologize. It's nice. I like it though. Pretty durable. I think that's a striker there too as well. Wow, that's what the scraper is for. Yep. That's nice. That's cool. Let's see if that fits in my wrist. I got big wrists. Yeah, it'll fit. Kind of iffy with the scraper when you're putting it on, so be careful, okay? There we go. Once you got it on, you got it on. Let's see. Don't want to bend it up. Yeah, you got to be careful when you're putting it in together, okay, guys? That striker, huh? Most people will probably have their knives, so you wouldn't need the scraper with it. That is pretty cool though. It comes with it all together. Kind of dangerous. Be careful when putting it on together. Okay, it's kind of difficult to do it with one hand. That scraper wants to go under, not in. Yeah, that's difficult to get on. Hold on a sec. I'm trying to do it for you on camera, and yeah, it's not clear, so let's not do that. Yeah, it's kind of difficult to get on. With the scraper in there. You have to bend the scraper up a little. There you go. Maybe that might have done it. Yeah, that makes it really difficult to get on. The scraper and that doesn't want to go in with one hand. You know what I mean? Maybe someone else can help you to do it. There it goes. Wow. So yeah, throw it in your pocket if you're getting chased. Look, it looks like another whistle. Let's see. Yep. A little whistle there. Now I know where north is every time I lift my wrist. And then I look at my watch. There you go. That's it with the pelican case. So we got ourselves a nice little knife. Our fishing line. And lure. Our saw, which is nice as well. Our pen, multi-use pen. Our spork. Our striker. With rope. An assistant that has helped you with that. Bottle opener, I like that. I'm looking forward to using that. Space blanket, if I get cold. And of course, a user guide that we did not look. It's nice. Other products. Oh, this is what's inside. Look at that. Ah, there we go. Direction indicator. Can screwdriver. Screwdriver keyhole. Allen key. Cool. The knife. Seatbelt cutter. Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that. It comes with a seatbelt cutter. Yeah, careful with these. They're not always good at working. First, you gotta get it out of your pocket, which your seatbelt is probably covering. So be careful, okay? There's that. There's a flashlight. 3 lighting modes. You saw that. Our knife. The center lock. Liner center lock. The fire starter. And then your carabiner with compass, whistle, striker as well. Your knife, wire saw, emergency blanket. It didn't show pictures of that one. And that's it. Well, there we go. I'll try to use this in next year's camping video. We'll see you guys again. Thank you. Friends, family, and strangers. We'll see you again. breaks nice too.